Hello everyone, all of you are warmly welcome for today's class. Today we are going to read and discuss the story Kali and the Rat Snake. The author of the story is Zia Whitaker. She grew up in Mumbai in a naturalist family. She is also a well-known environmentalist and children's writer. She is currently the principal of Outreach School in Bangalore and spends her time in educating the children in nearby rural areas. She has written many books for young children and adults also. Along with the books, she has written many novels, stories and poems for children, including Andaman's Boy, Kali and the Rat Snake, Kanapanna, Cobra in My Kitchen, and many other books are also there in her list. So let's begin up with the story. The story is about Kali, who is also the lead character of the story. He is a school-going boy and belongs to Irula tribe. His father is one of the most famous snake catcher among the Irula tribe. He had caught over hundreds of cobras this monsoon and he had bought many good things for the family. Snake Cooperative pays 150 for each poisonous snake. They take out the poison from the snakes to make anti-venom serum. Whenever Kali goes with his father to catch snakes, his legs work like machine. But today, while going to school, he is quite slow, as he was not willing to go to school. While walking, he tells Bushes that he hates school and also school hates him. But Bushes do not feel sorry for him as they do not understand what Kali is trying to tell them. He also tells Bushes that he has no friend and he also thinks that Irulas are weird. As on the very first day of the school, when each child was introducing oneself in front of everyone, Kali had also introduced himself, and after that everyone had laughed. Thus, Kali had created a perception that everyone does not like him because he said something silly, and for the first time he did not feel proud on being Irula. He usually reaches late to school. He always sits on the back row all alone with a wish that either he should have friends or he should be thrown out of the school. For this, he keeps on creating mess in copies so that all teachers should hate him and throw him out of the school. Even during the recess time, he sits on the wall far away from others to have tiffin without sharing with anyone. One day in the classroom, when the regular class was going on, sudden shouts were coming from all directions, and students had tumbled over each other. Teacher was also under his table and was crying for help. After a few minutes, Kali, able to recognize that there is a large rat snake wrapped around Palimra beam, as he had taken a wrong direction towards the classroom by mistake. Slowly, rat snake had uncoiled its body from the beam and had fallen down. Now the condition of the class has become worse. Rat snake was also terrified. It also went one side of the room, then to the other side. Kali couldn't able to understand why everyone has gone mad. He then walked slowly towards the snake and caught it. Now everyone's eye is on Kali. Suddenly, Rat Snake tried to hiss and struck Kali. But Kali knows very well how to treat snakes. He is in search of a big bag in which he could put the rat snake. So, without wasting a single moment, a thought runs around his mind that he will take a rat snake to his father, which he will hand over to Vandalur Zoo near Chennai, and in return they will get good price, and with that amount they will purchase a new dress for the baby sister. Immediately, with the noise, he came back to his conscious and looked all around. Everyone is clapping and cheering Kali. All this is so wonderful for Kali, and his eyes got wet with happiness. He gave a broad smile to all. Now children of the class are quarreling with each other for making Kali to sit with them. Let's discuss about the morals which we have learned from the story. The first and the foremost thing is that one should not have a stereotype kind of mentality as the classmates of Kali had. They giggled and nudged one another when Kali told about the profession of his father, which was quite weird for the students of the class. And because of that, Kali had a perception that he said something silly and no one likes him at all. Second most important thing which we have learned here, that one should always enrich their skills. They should not feel low for that, because Almighty has created everyone with unique qualities which is beneficial to the society in many ways. So I hope each one of you have enjoyed the story and liked the story. Now please like, share and subscribe so that others can also get the benefit of this learning. Goodbye.